Hello there, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be explaining to you how to modify an instance type. Let's say we have an instance on our AWS account. We have a virtual machine on our AWS account, and due to some request or due to a specific process which has to be executed in the coming time, you want to upgrade the instance type. That means you want to increase its computational powers or its memory. In that case, how are you going to upgrade that instance type without changing any of its other configurations or data associated with that instance? For that purpose, what I'll do is first I'll launch an instance and I'll show you how are we going to do that. I'll just name it server and quickly I'll assign a keeper to it, and that's it. I'll launch an instance. So the instance is in the initializing state. It will take some time to pass the 3 by 3 states. So what have I done is I have launched the instance with a very basic type, that is t3.micro. If I go to t3.micro, we can observe that it is having two CPUs and 1 GB of RAM. Now, to execute my applications or processes in a faster way, I will have to upgrade this, let's say, to more number of virtual CPUs or more RAM. So how am I going to do that? What we'll be doing is we'll be going to the instance type, we'll be we'll be going to the instance, we'll be clicking on instance settings, and here you can see there's an option, change instance type. So this instance type won't be uh, available, this option won't be available until and unless we stop the instance. That is, we stop the server. So I'll be first stopping the server. So once the server reaches its stop state, the option will be available. So now the instance has been stopped. I'll again go to instance settings, and here you can see the option is now available. Change instance type. So they're going to ask me what the new instance type should be. I'll say it should be t2.medium or t3.medium. Let's see what's the option available. And let's say it is t2.medium. That is what I want. So you can observe in the first instance type, that is t3.micro, I was having 1 GB of RAM, whereas t2.medium is going to offer me 4 GB RAM. That is, it's going to help me, optimize the memory, optimize the processes which will be executed, which are memory based. But what will happen with this is the costing will also increase. That is, zero point zero 0.01 USD per hour I was being charged for T3.micro, wherein now I'll be charged 0.049 USD per hour. So that's fine. I'll accept this and I'll say change instance type. And once I do that, you can see that the instance type has been changed, that is upgraded. That is, we are going to have more RAM in this case, which will help us process our applications in a much faster and a smoother way. So this type of activities are normally done when you want to, purge data, want to process some data at a high speed. So you don't want to, provision your infrastructure at a very high rate, 24/7. Only during certain activities you can, upgrade the instance type, you can complete your process and again downgrade it. So this is how it works. This is how you actually go on to save cost as well. So this is one very important activity, and normally these type of activities are normally done in the night to avoid any downtime, because in this case you were supposed to stop the instance. So yes, we have successfully stopped the instance. So you can practice this on your own. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.